St. Lucia Friday paid tribute to its dedicated firefighters, both active and retired. During an open house event commemorating International Firefighters Day, officially observed on May 4th. Even retired fire service members like Desmond Collymore were among those honored for their years of service and commitment to protecting the community. The event also provided an opportunity for students and the public to gain insight into the multifaceted roles and responsibilities of fire service personnel. Melka Daniel, principal of the Vieux Fort Special Education Center, lauded the experiential learning opportunity for her students.
So we receive an invitation to come out today to observe, to interact with the firefighters and the tools, the equipment, the technologies, the various aspects that are involved in the daily lives of firefighters. What is it that they do and how is it that they respond to emergencies and other things of that sort. So we brought our students out this morning to experience that wonderful celebration. We also had our students interact with the various tools, the resources that they use, emergency personnel use whenever it comes to support with emergencies and fire prevention, fire safety. So it has been a wonderful experience so far.
Andrea Miller, owner of Blessed Heart Early Childhood Development Center, emphasized the educational value of the fire station visit.
The experience at the fire station it was a very valuable and informative experience, offering a unique glimpse into the world of firefighters and their crucial role in the community. It's an opportunity to see the equipment, hear about the training, and learn about the different types of emergency that they respond to. So I just want to say thank you to all the firefighters for the crucial role that they take part in the communities.
Divisional Officer for the 7th Division, Marius Charles, detailed the objectives of the open house. He also highlighted the positive impact of community engagement on firefighter morale.
Today we are having an open house to celebrate International Firefighters Day. We invited the schools from the region to come participate, where we'll get them through the various stations, showing them some of what we do on a daily basis, the EMS, the firefighting aspects, the fire prevention aspects. And it's a good opportunity for them to get to know the fire personnel as well. So that's the aim of this, to celebrate International Firefighters Day, which is on May 4th, but we're celebrating today with an open house for everyone, the public, schools. We've had a great turnout from the schools in the region. As you can see, the students keep coming and going. We've had, for now, at least 9 to 10 schools visiting, including the special ed. So it's a good experience, and the fire personnel are enjoying the meet as well as the students. I think it will help boost the morale of persons in the division, knowing and feeling appreciated from the schools and the members of the general public as they come and appreciate what we do as firefighters.
The organizers of the open house hope to foster a greater understanding and appreciation for the vital services provided by St. Lucia's firefighters, past and present. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.